they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You like me.
One thing I haven't done is I haven't even tried this e-brake out yet. And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Honestly, it's still the same day from the last video y'all seen where the car broke down, but I'm making a new intro and starting it all over because the video ended up being like 56 minutes. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just split this into 2 videos and do it this way. Y'all see the car breaking, and in this video, y'all see the car getting fixed. But it is the same day. I actually got it in the driveway after I got in talking to Lex, and pretty much just started working on this thing, and I got everything finished up, probably a couple hours or whatnot. But yeah, anywho, that's what's going on today. Same day from the last video that y'all seen, but it's still the same day. I'm just splitting it into 2 videos, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get double paid, man. You feel me? Gotta get the bag, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to just be out here posting a 58-minute video for y'all to skip over. Like, we ain't doing that. So y'all get 2 videos. I'm pretty sure y'all don't mind, y'all feel me, getting 2 videos out of 1 video one day. Don't say I ate too much sugar, so I'm kind of hyper. But yeah, let's act like we're going out here and working on it, but it's literally past tense and already been done. But you see me, got the same shirt on to make it look like it was the same day for y'all. I could have lied and been like, you know, same day, blah blah, milked it. But I want to keep it 100 with y'all and let y'all know. But yeah, anywho, let's go out there, get this thing done, and y'all can see what ended up happening the rest of that day. So got this thing open, accessing just the damage and stuff to see what all went wrong. So the belt did knock off the boost controller. That's why we were hitting that, having that little over boosting issue. So I'm gonna get that all together, get it zip tied. Also want to move these wires, clean them up a little bit. It did break off my fan wire right here. So yeah, I gotta try to figure out how to solder that back on. It looks like the piece is still there, so I should be able to solder it back on and get that together. I just gotta go get a soldering iron. I'm gonna go to AutoZone or O'Reilly, see if I can get a belt, and then we'll mess with this alternator bracket to see if we can get this thing back together. So I'm hoping I can get this thing fixed today. I just need to go grab the parts and just, you know, put a little time into it, but I should have everything back together today. I don't see nothing that should keep me from being able to have it back on the road. I do need to do some more driving on here, man. So it's good that it happened right here versus taking this thing to the track on the 18th and 19th. But yeah, I need to drive this more. I need to work out the little kinks and bugs, make sure this won't happen while I'm out on the track way out there in SoCal. So let me go grab some parts, and then we'll be back to get this thing back together. All right, so just got back from O'Reilly's, picking up the stuff we need. Went and bought a cheap little solder gun and some solder. That way I can fix this wire and stuff down here. See that broken off. But yeah, let me get this stuff all on. Not gonna have the camera on right here. Just like I kind of just want to get this done. So kind of pointless to record this. So I'll just be back with y'all once this is all back together and running. So yeah, see y'all shortly.
People who ride with ya, get it live, who can paint that picture? Ain't no way we losing inches, climb them fences, get bruised up, got stitches, bring them back to their senses, know how the game go, checks and payrolls remain the same, no, forecast Eli, baby, time out, ride out, you can let them hate me, get along everywhere we go, don't carry vendettas, doing everything better, step into the scene and they stuck like leather, groupies follow me, for the green, pause to proceed, but we never lost, tryna be fake, tell me what it costs. Everything you touch, let's go back to dust. Hating cause you can't be like us, but just want you to vibe with me. Touch the sky, come fly with me. Be real, don't lie to me. When it's gonna break, no, bringing it back. You know what it is. Bringing it back, bringing it up. If you wanna dance slow, then you gotta move your feet. People gon' stare, but I don't care. And I know it's only cause they know when we the best. Mike skills gon' put me to the test. We don't got time for the rest. Y'all haters is a mess. Give me my props, thinking we gon' stop. All I got is love for those that's riding with me. All these models vibing with me. Say so, please don't max the caseload. Rolling that dice at 7 would be nice. Text coming in, love to see, love to me. C to C, easily. Job flows, I got goals, please spread the word. We're kicking haters to the curb. Catching up all the intrigue. Doing it major league, yeah.
Just want you to vibe with me. Touch the sky, come fly with me. Be real, don't lie to me. Where it's going, bringing it back. No, bringing it back. No, you know.
Got all this back together. So next thing on my list is I'm about to peel this back and I'm about to try to solder this directly to the fans right there where it broke off at, and then I'm gonna get some zip ties, tuck all this stuff up. Need to make sure I zip tie the freaking boost source for the wastegate, because off the boost controller that did come off, and I actually did a pull right here and over boosted. So I mean, luckily we have all the fail safes intact on here. So we have AFR fail safe, over boost fail safe, lean fail safe, oil pressure fail safe. So all the fail safes on here. So it's kind of hard to blow this thing up other than like probably spinning the bearing or something. But yeah, let's get this soldered up. All right, so waiting for the soldering iron heat up. But yeah, man, hopefully this works. Hopefully this works. All I need is a little to get it on there. Ain't soldered nothing in hella long. Hopefully it comes out cute. Just needs to work, honestly. Hot enough yet? Almost. A little solder here. Alright, there it is. The thing's on there, soldered, not going nowhere. That should be fine. So let me get this stuff zip tied up out the way. Get it back put together, and then we'll fire it up, make sure the fans and everything turn on, and then we should be good. All right, everything's looking like it's good. Belts are nice and tight. All right, let's get this thing fired up. See what happens. All right, there she is running. All right, just wait for this thing to get up to operating temps, and hopefully we got both fans active. Seems good though. All right, fans just cut on. That one's on, and they're both on. Hey, my little solder worked. All right, both fans are on. It's looking like we good. So what I want to do is I want to get my other wheel swapped on, man. I can't do this fitment, man. It's just not flush and sitting how I wanted to sit. So I'm gonna pull these back off. I'm gonna get the SSRs back on. These are the big dads. I feel like the car definitely had more grip with the 18x12s on here. These are all drifted off, but yeah, I'll swap wheels or I'll get some new tires for these. Ordered sometime this week, but yeah, I don't like this fitment. It's like it's killing me. So yeah, we're gonna put the deep dishes back on, and then once I get this back on the ground, we'll be off to go test drive it real quick. Alright, I'm all done here. So, phase 2 of this, I was actually going to be taking this out and driving the SAC, but I don't feel like putting the bumper and all that stuff on because I'm going to take it back off tomorrow. But I'm going to take it out here, and I want to get this nose panel painted finally. That way I'm not just sitting out here exposing the freaking power steering cooler and shit. So I want to get this on here, that way it just looks a little bit more complete. So I'm about to be taking it to my painter right now, about to get this thing color matched. Hopefully it does match up, because if so, then I need to match up these mirrors. Cool little driver, you know what I'm saying? We here right now. Meet up with my man Jay. Hey, where you little short ass nigga at, man? Jay, where is the?
What up?
What's up, Black?
What's up, shit?
What's good?
There's the piece. Bro, I was tripping. I was like, where the hell did I leave the paint?
You found it?
Yeah.
All right, got the little nose panel up here. About to get this thing primed, and we're gonna see what this color looks like on here. I'm hoping it matches up at least close. Like, I ain't really tripping. It's a drift car, so this thing just needs to be like together. And if I decide to retire it as a drift car, even though I ain't really started its career as a drift car, then we'll do like a full restoration, super cleanup, and just have it as like a sick, I don't know, I don't want to say show car because it's still gonna be a street car, but along those lines of something like super presentable as a sick ass 300ZX. But for now, we're just gonna get that thing sprayed. All right, here you go. He got a little coat on there. Woo, woo. This color is so sexy. Already cleared and everything?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Look, you see the reflection? Ooh.
What color is that?
Top secret. Damn, look at that. Straight off the gun. No cut, no buff. That's pretty good. No runs. Look at that. No runs. No runs. Now the rest of the car's gonna look like poop. Nose panel about to be hella glossy and shit. The rest of the car gonna look like straight doo-doo. Alright, what's good, my beautiful peoples watching this still. Just getting home. And bam, there she is with the nose panel on. It's so hard to tell like if the color matches up in the dark. I literally can't tell right now. Go up here, y'all can see that color change. But I mean, we'll see how this looks in the morning, see how close the color is or how far off it is. Yep, all dry now. This thing all color match. Well, hopefully it's color match, we don't know yet. Woo, I love this color, man. Such a beautiful color. But let's see, how close are they? Oh, looks about right. Doesn't seem like it's off at all. Not bad, not bad. Yep, we good. Back to looking like a full 100% street car. Alright, so now that that's all done, right now we're about to be heading up. Like I said, today isn't gonna be a crazy day, man. So if you're expecting some wildness today, I'm sorry. We're literally just gonna be driving this thing, doing some pulls, seeing what it feels like, what it wants to do, what it doesn't like to do. So, you know, this ain't gonna be no crazy day if that's what y'all expecting. But if y'all wanna just chill with your boy, you know what I'm saying, take a ride with your boy in the 300ZX, then just stay tuned. It's as simple as that. Oh yeah, I wanna show y'all something too. I did go grab a new little camera mount setup. It's gonna allow us to get that like Gran Turismo Forza look when you know how you see in the cars in the back and they have the 360 camera on there. So I'm gonna be testing that out sometime this week, seeing how this comes out and playing with a little edit on there. But I am about to try to get some dope footage for y'all with this thing. This thing extends like 6 feet, so give us a dope ass view. Also gonna make for super dope views when we get some gap footage in or even drifting footage. So I plan on using that at the track and for some gaps. Ooh, use it at the track and for some gaps. Bars. Hey, let's warm this little thing up. I ain't drove it since it broke, kind of just started it up. So hopefully it's good. Trusting in my work. This e-brake out yet. It would be nice to get this thing a little rip and see what it does. like a dog off boost. It did not want to spin. The hell? I need to figure that out. I don't like that. What was that about? Literally clutch kicked it and everything. It did not want to do it. I don't know what that is about. Yeah, I definitely have to take this thing out for some drifting. I have no clue why I didn't want to continue to slide. Like, it shouldn't have no issue with breaking this thing loose. That was odd as hell. Yeah, I need an event before the event. Or at least a little private session to test it for sure. So I was randomly coming through here and I seen this car over here sliding. I have no clue who this is, but I'm gonna get it in with him real quick. Oh god, this car is so fun. Oh god, let me stop playing. Fuck around and be doing my old ways. Ooh, oh, I should have hit this freeway on ramp. I ain't hit this freeway on ramp in so long, but let me stop playing. This is literally the shit that I used to do in my old 300 CX. Just like,